Okay. Hafiza Noori, Parisha Sarbari, Wafza Kakar, Tamanna Ayub. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, I have received 5 response. Hello? Can you hear me?
Sir, we have your
We
voice.
can
Okay,
Yes.
hear
thank you.
you, sir.
Okay. Okay, only 4 people handed my assignment 2 and assignment D. Only 1 people handed my assignment 3. Everyone please do my assignment. It is important to get your certificate from Femtech. Okay, so let me open my Photoshop. Okay, so this is Photoshop. Let me create a new file. Okay, if you want to change your file name, whenever you create new file, just change from here. Let me change it to Arif Ramal. Then this is the size. You can take your own size according to your project. So whenever you get a new work, your clients will provide you the size of your artboard. So this one would be according your project. Or let's say I want to create a uh, Instagram poster. Just go to Photoshop. Sorry, go to Google. Then type Instagram poster size. You will get it's 180 by 3050. So just go here. 1080 by 50. Then create new. So it will be created. As you can see here, this is the thing. This is the basic. Okay, we have covered selection tools, crop tool, eyedropper tool, patch tool. All of these tools we have also covered our most important tool, which is rectangle tools. Okay, guys, is there any question related to our last lesson? Should I recap anything? Guys, should I recap any tools? Okay, thanks for your response, Farjana and Mursal, Persia. Thanks for your response. Okay, so yeah, in this class we are going to cover the all tools in this class, and from the next class we will start our project. We will create some poster flyer. Okay, I'm trying to complete all tools, all important tools. Okay, so if we check any poster design. Mhm. We will see the common thing, which is most important thing. The common thing is that text design can't complete without a text. As you can see here, this is the text. For this one, there is another text which is in bold. This is another text. So if you want to design anything, flyer, poster, ID card, anything else, we must need text, and we must have idea about different types of font. If we have idea about different types of font, we can easily use according to our project. Okay, as you can see, this is the text. This is text. So how can we take text from Photoshop? So there is a tool which is type tool. As you can see here, this is type tool. Okay, this is the most important tool. If you want to write anything else in Photoshop, you need to you need to use this tool, which is type tool. Okay, I'm now in type tool. I'm just click here. As you can see, it will says you can't see anything because my text color is white color. So let me change this color to black. So as you can see, it says lorem ipsum. Okay. So if you do not have this properties panel, okay, what you need to do, go to window, then go properties, click properties. Okay. There is another thing. If I change properties panel, will show according to your tools. As you can see here right now, I am now in I am now in text tool, right? So it will show all of this option related to text. As you can see here, I am now in properties panel. It will show all of these tools, all of this option related to text. If I change my tools into rectangle, then if I draw a new rectangle, it will automatically change. As you can see here, now it shows all of this option related to my rectangle. So properties panel is one kind of dynamic. If you change your tools, it will change the option. Okay. As you can see here, I have changed my tools. I am now in rectangle tools. It will show my rectangles option, rectangle tools related option. If I change my tools into text tool, it will show all of this option according to my text tool. As you can see, it's changed. Guys, do you understand this? This is the important part. Yeah. Thanks for your response. Yeah, this is the important part because whenever we are working in different tools, we can easily control of this option from our properties panel. You can also get some option on the top menu bar, but if you have idea for properties panel, you will get lots of option. If I compare with this, as you can see here, whenever I'm working on text tool on the top side, it will show some option, not too much option. Color option, alignment, smooth, font size, font family. Okay, as you can see here, font name. So if you have a properties panel, you will have lots of option. Okay, if you have a proper idea about properties panel, you will have lots of option. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, let's move forward into our text tool. I am now in text tool. If I want to change my color, text color, as I told you, you need to have a properties panel. You can easily change from your properties panel like this. I can change. I can change. If I want to change my font, I hope everyone have idea about font. Font means, let me change the font, you will get idea. Font means your text style. Okay, as you can see here, I am now in Montserrat font. If I change it to Roboto, it will change. If I change into Ekakamu, this is another font, and I love this font, it will change. Okay, so for me, I have lots of fonts because I have installed font on my computer. If you do not have font, just go to Google. Okay, if you do not have installed any font on your computer, just go to Google and search Google Google font. Then just go here. There are lots of Google fonts which is copyright free. That means you can use your project. Also, let's say a railway. This is another nice one. I like it. Let's say I want to install this font, okay, in my computer. So just click here, then click get font, then download all. It's downloading. Okay, as you can see here, now it's download as a zip file. Just click here. Let me copy and paste on my, I'm just copy and paste on my desktop and paste. You can copy and paste on your own, file, own folder. Okay, then right click on it, then extract here. So once it's extracted, okay, I have to change. Okay, as you can see, after extract the zip file, you will see this type of font. So you need to select all of them. As you can see here, I have select all of them. This is the only font. As you can see, the only font. Then right click on it. Then click install for all users. Okay. It will start install it. As you can see, installing. So install is done. So now if I select my text, I am now in text tool. Then if I go here, then if I search my text name, my font name, which is Fira, I think. Yeah, Fira. As you can see here, I have this font with their font family. As you can see here. Do you understand, guys? This is a easy process. Just go to Google, then download the font, then install on your computer for all user. Then you can easily type your font. Okay. This is the font name. Let's talk about font family. Font family means it's different type of style. So as you can see, this is the Fira Sans font. Okay. This font have lots of style. Okay, family. As you can see, this is the medium. As you can see here, this is medium. Okay. Let's change it to extra bold. As you can see here, it's extra bold with italic. As you can extra bold italic. So I need only black, so this is only black. Okay, let's change this color to like this, as you can see here, like this. So this is the family means it depends on font. If I chose another font which is Montserrat, the Montserrat have their own. As you can see here, I have only one family which is extra bold. If I change my font into Poppins, which is another popular font, so as you can see here, this is a Poppins font. I hope everyone understand this part. Do you understand, guys? Font and font family. Font family means different type of style. Yeah. So the thing is, most popular fonts are there are some most popular fonts which is Montserrat, Poppins, Railway. This is most popular and common font for your project. Okay. Let's say I want to change the font size. Okay. You can do one thing. You can change size from Mob tools. As you can see right now, I am in Mob tools. Okay. Let me zoom my canvas. I'm pressing Alt and I'm just uh using my mouse to zoom my canvas. Okay. If I press Shift and Alter, I can easily, as you can see, I'm pressing Shift and Alter, so I can easily increase and decrease the size, as you can see, like this. So if you want to change that manually, you have to go here. This is the option. So you can increase and you can decrease the size, font size. If you want to duplicate the layers, just go here, then duplicate here. Okay. Drag and drop this layer, so it will make another copy. Then let's increase the size like this. As you can see here, I have two types of, you know, two types of size of my text. Okay. So if you want to increase, okay, let me take a paragraph. So paragraph means if you have idea lorem ipsum, let's take a dummy text which is lorem ipsum, lorem ipsum generator. Then go here. Then let's copy this one. This is the dummy text. Okay. Okay, Control C, copy. Then if you want to take like paragraph text, like this type of text, as you can see here, whenever I'm taking lorem ipsum, this is this type of long text. Okay, this type of long text. If you want to take this type of long text, so you can easily draw a box. So as you can see here, right now I am in text tool. So let me try. As you can see here, I'm drawing something like that. It's one kind of rectangle. Then if I press Control B, so the text that is too big. Let me select all of them. I'm pressing Control A to select all of this text. Let's make it into 18, as you can see here. Okay. So as you can see, there are lots of gap. Okay. There are lots of gap between the paragraph, between the lines. So how can I, how can I decrease the thing? So you need to select all of this text. Just click here, then press Control A. As you can see, now it's selected. So you can change from here. Just click O2. Okay. And the another problem is all of these texts are uppercase. Okay. If you want to change all of this text into the normal one, as you can see here, whenever I'm taking in this text, it is lowercase. It is in lowercase. If I want to change, this into lowercase, first of all you need to select your text. So I have select the text, then you need to click here. So as you can see now it's lowercase. So let's make it more thin. So maybe I can select this font family. Maybe I can increase the line height a little bit more, like this. Let's change this color into red, as you can see here. So yeah. So let's see. I want to, as you can see here, as you can see here for this text, this is now in bold and in black color. So if you want to change any specific text, any specific word in different color or in different font, what you need to do, just double click on it and select the font. This select the word. As you can see here, I have select lorem ipsum. So now if I change it to black color, only this color will be changed. If I change it to bold color, black, as you can see now it's changed. So if you want to change any text or anything else, first you need to select the text, then you need to change from this properties panel. This is the thing. Do you understand, guys? Okay, let's change the paragraph style. Paragraph style, how it will start. As you can see, right now it says from left side. If I change it to right side, it will change. It will start from the, from the center point. If I change it to from the right side, it will start from the right side. First of all, you need to select all of this text, then you can select. It's now in left side. Okay, it is now in justified. As you can see here, it is justified. This is a different style. Okay, different style like this. So you can try. So maximum time I use this one from the left side. Sometime I use this one, justified. It looks great. And there are some style. If you want to make all of this text in uppercase, just select the text, then click here. It will be uppercase. If you want to select uh, uh, if you want to if you want to convert only the word first word into uppercase, you can select this one. As you can see here. This is the first word of this. This is the first letter of this word, so it is converted into uppercase. This is the first letter of this word, it will convert into uppercase. So you can do this. Then sometime you need to, for the mathematical term, you can use like there are some terms a square plus b square. You can use this one, this text. Okay. Then this is the subscript. This is the underscore. If you want to use underscore on your text, you can use it. Okay. If you want to use like this cross on your text, let's say sometime maybe whenever you design in text, maybe sometime it would be 50% discount. Okay, then you can, or maybe there will be two types of price. Maybe one would be $1,100 and the new price is $50. $50. So in that case, you can use this one. So 100 cross means this is now sell in $50. This is not now in 100, you know, dollar. So sometime maybe you can use it. So people will understand this. The price is upgraded. Okay. This is the thing. So whenever you do any project, you will understand the uses. Okay. The another thing is how to use your own language, like what is the language of Pakistan, Afghanistan? Is it Persian? What is the language?
It is Dari, sir. Dari, we can call
Dari,
it as
Dari.
Persian.
Okay. Dari font. Okay, you can just, as you can, it's called Persian fonts. Okay. There are lots of fonts. This is the same process. Okay, as you can see, this, mm, which one? Uh, Persian fonts, I think this. Okay, I think. Mhm. This one, is it?
And this is Arabic, I guess.
Okay, just yeah. You just need to go Google and just search your font name like Dari font or Persian font. You will get lots of resource. Then you can easily download and install it. That I did for Fira font. This is the easy one. As you can see, I think this one. So as you can just need to download now. Then once it's downloaded, you can just install it and just check. That's it. This is the easy process. Okay. So this is the thing. So let me trick. Okay. So this is the horizontal. Maximum time we will use horizontal text style. Maximum time we will use this one. And if you want to draw like mm, in vertical way, so you can take this one vertical. Okay. That means let's say happy. So if you need vertical font, you can just use the vertical one. Just go here, then right click here, you will see. And vertical mask. So let me open the image. So I am now in here, vertical type mask tool. The max mean it will convert it. Okay, let's do it. Then you will understand. As you can see here, if I type Afghanistan, then if I hit OK, and if I unlock the layer, okay, first of all, I need to unlock Control D. Okay, Control D. DD. Mhm. Yeah, Control D. Control Z. Okay, edit. Oh, Revert. Okay. Let's say I want to take this image part as a text. Okay, I want to take this part, or maybe I want to take his eye as a text. So in that case, you can use this one, horizontal or vertical type marks tool. So if I type here like ARIFREMAL. So I have typed my name. Then if I hit OK, you will see that this area is selected. As you can see, this area is selected. If I go to my move tools, then if I move this, uh, okay. First of all, I need to, okay, let's type everything. Let's type BD. Okay. Then hit OK. Then as you can see here, now I can drag and drop. As you can see, it's take only this part. So let's say I want to take this flower. So I I can type my name or Afghan and make sure that your layer is unlocked before doing the things. You have to unlock your layers. Then let's type this is a flower. This is a flower. Then let's change this one. Control A. Let's select. Let's change this one. This side increase. And the middle one. Then hit OK. So if I drag and drop here, it will take only this part that I type. As you can see here, this is the thing, this is a flower. So if you want to cut any specific portion from your image, you can use typing mask tool, horizontal type mask tool. So it will select the area according to your text, according to your font, then you can easily cut from one tab to another tab. Do you understand, guys? This is not important one because maximum time we will work on horizontal type tool. Okay, maximum time we will work on horizontal type tool. and this is the optional one. Okay, this is all about text tool. Okay, let's close all of them. Close others. No, no. Okay.
Sir, can I ask
Yeah,
something?
yeah, sure.
Uh, how do you fill the text with a picture? Because I lost my connection and I couldn't
Okay,
catch that part.
okay, let's do it again. Okay, I have opened my my object. Then first of all you need to unlock your layer. So I am now unlocking my layer. Then you need to go this tool, horizontal or vertical. So I'm taking horizontal type mask tool. Then you can just draw your text, write your text. Maybe this is a flower from Afghanistan, like this. Then you can increase and decrease the size. So I'm increasing my size. Okay, then just hit OK. You may enter, you may press enter, or you may just click here. Then as you can see here, it is now selected. This area now it's selected. Now you can go here, then you can drag and drop like this. This is the process. Do you understand?
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay. Most welcome. And everyone should ask you, if you do not understand any part, please do the same thing that Mozart do. Okay. So yeah, let me create a new one. Let's change it to AR. I'm taking new output. Okay. So we have completed our text tool. Uh, on a path. uh, okay. So let me show you another interesting thing. Sometime you will see. I think we have already idea about the ellipse tool, right? Let's take a like this. Let's take ellipse tool. Okay. So let's take uh only stroke. Okay. Then let's say I want to type my name. I want to type text like this in the rounded. So how can I do this? I have already taken my ellipse tool, right? Ellipse. So if I go here, then if I click here, you will see this rounded will be selected. Now if you type anything else, it will be rounded, like this is Arif Ramal from Bangladesh. Let's change this color. Let's select all of them. Let's change this color into black. Then hit OK, as you can see here. So if I go my ellipse tool, then if I make it none, you will see. Cancel. You will see. Now it's like this. Should I repeat, guys?
Yes, please.
Okay. So let's take a rectangle tools. Okay. So I'm taking rectangle tools. My main intention is that I want to type any text according to my border, okay, or according to my stroke. So I am now in rectangle tool. I am also taking a stroke. Okay. If I go my text tool, then if I click here, you will see this type of, then you can type anything. You can type anything. Control C. Okay, then just hit OK. Okay, sorry, you have to select the horizontal tool. Then you can type anything. You can type. I'm just typing a dummy text, anything that you need for your future. Okay. If you have lots of text, it will be like this. Now control Z. Okay. Then hit OK. Now it's something like that. If I want to if I want to delete, this rectangle, this stroke, we can easily do this. Just select your rectangle, then just make this one to none. So it will be typed like this. Do you understand, Tamana? Okay, thanks.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so yeah. Okay, I forgot to show you another thing. According to text related to type tools. Okay, I have deleted all of them. Okay, as you can see right now, I am in horizontal, yeah, horizontal type tool. So if I draw a line, oh, okay, this is the rollem ipsum. If I want to change this style, as you can see here, now it's straightforward. Uh, it's the default one, like in horizontal line. Okay, straightforward. If I change this style into another one, so just double click on it. Then on the top side, you will see some option. Just click here, this one. I'm talking about this one. Just click here. Then you will see some style, which is ARC, as you can see here, which is ARC lower. So it will invert. Then you can change the band, as you can see, bandwidth. You can change the horizontal distortion like this, like this. Sometimes you will see this type of style, different type of style. Then shell lawyer. Okay, let's make it simple. Then fish, their web, flag. Okay, there are lots of style. So you can also change your text style from this option. Wrap. That means you can wrapping your text. Okay, this is the thing. Then you can control like this. Then sometimes you will see this type of things. Do you understand, guys?
Sir,
Okay.
now you drew a circle, and then you write down your text. How you, I mean, disable, how can I say that? Mm, how do you change the color of or make it transparent, make the circle transparent? Can you get my point, sir?
Sorry. Wait.
Now you
Yes.
draw a circle and then
Mm-hmm.
you write down your text. How you change the color of the circle? How you made it transparent or disable?
Okay. Okay. I got your point. So, oh yeah, let me draw a rectangle. Okay. For the rectangle, we know we have two types of color. The first one is our solid color, and the second one is our border color. Okay. So let's make uh my shapes color, solid color, fill color as none. Just click here. If you click here, you will see there is no color. Let me make it like, as you can see here. If I change it to this color, there will be color. It's green color. So I'm just change it to none. This. So I have no fill color. So now I'm taking my text tool like this. Mhm. Outer part. As you can see, now I'm click OK. Okay. Now there is a color. This is a stroke color. Okay. If I want to transparent this one, or I want to remove, if you want to remove this one, only this line. So what you need to do, you need to just make your stroke, because this is a stroke color. Just go here, select the hair, then as you can see here, and also go here. As you can, this stroke color, this is the black. If I change it to this color, this is the my stroke color. You just need to click here, none. So it will be transparent. You understand? Okay. Thanks for the response. This is the thing. Okay. Then there is another thing. If you want to type, as you can see here, in previous way, we have type our names and anything else outside of our, of our rectangle, like this part. If you want to type in the inside way, in the inside part, so you can do this. So this is not, let me change this color to any color. Let's take a rectangle. If I click my my text in this inside part. So it will be filled like this. As you can see here, it will be now in my insert part. Okay, so you need to press, if you click in outside area, text will be filled according to outside. If you fill in the inside area, text will be draw according to your inside part. Let me do it again. So let's take a ellipse. Let's take a color. Let's say I want to write something else inside the ellipse, inside this part, not the outside. Okay, you just need to go your type tool, then click insert part. This is the inner part of this text tool, then everything will be typed in the inner part like this. This is the thing. Sometimes you need this type of thing. If you do not understand the thing, don't worry. Whenever we do some project, we will cover this part. This is the thing. Okay, then line tool, I'm taking a line tool, then I click the line tool, everything will be, fill. As you can see here, it's now a line tool. Okay, so we have covered text tool. We have also covered the rectangle tools. Let's cover the important tool, which is pen tool. If you have better idea about pen tool, you can do any complex design in Adobe Photoshop. Pen tool is important for Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so let's take a new artboard. Okay, if you click pen tool, as I already told you, if you click any of these tools, this top menu bar will be changed according to tools properties. So I have clicked here, pen tools. So you will see on the top part, check this one. This is the important one. Okay, I am now in pen tool. Okay, there are two options. The first one is shape option. The second one is path option. Okay, there are two options, shape and path. Shape means whenever you want to create any shape that we did on our rectangle. Let's say you want to draw a rectangle, you want to draw a ellipse, you want to draw a triangle. So in that case, you need to select shape. But if you do not work with the shape tools, if you want to select something else, maybe some object or anything else, you need to select the path tool. Okay, this is the thing. There are two options. Okay, as you can see here, right now I am in shape mode. Okay, as you can see, whenever I change the shape mode, it will appear the fill color and the stroke color that we did on our rectangle tool. So whenever you are now in shape tools, it will draw shapes. So as you can see here, let me change this color to this color. As you can see here, it's draw a shape, it's draw a shape, new shape. As you can see here, this is, I am now in shape tool, so I can also take the rectangle. Sorry, I also take the stroke color as well. So for pen tool, if you want to draw a new shape me, okay. As you can see here, for this design, there is a shape. Okay, this is the custom shape, something like web, something like this, something like this. This is the custom shapes. You won't get this type of shapes from your rectangle tool. There is no, there is some, little bit shapes, which is rectangle, ellipse, triangle, polygonal, line tool. But if you want to draw exactly same as it is, in that case, you need to use shape tools. You need to use, sorry, pen tools. Sorry for that. You need to use pen tool. So if I use pen tool, let's change my foreground color to this. It's almost similar. As you can see here, I can easily draw. I can easily draw my shape. Almost there. This is not the same one, but if you have better idea about pen tool, you can draw any complex shape. As you can see, there is another complex shape. This is another complex shape. So in that case, you can use your pen tool to draw this shape. So you must have proper idea about pen tool. As you can see, this is another one. Okay, this is another one. uh, this is another one. Okay, this is another one. So if you want to draw this type of custom shapes, you must have idea about pen tool. Okay, so I think everyone understand the pen tool. Do you understand, guys, pen tool? Yes, good. So let's see how to use pen tool, which is most important tools in Adobe Photoshop. You will also get the same tool in Adobe Illustrator. So if you have better idea in Adobe Photoshop, you can easily work with Adobe Illustrator. Okay, for the pen tool, if you click here, you will see two types of things. Let me take a screenshot. Okay. So this is called my point, path point. This is called point. Okay, point. And this two option called handle. That means you can change, you can modify your shapes of your uh, that you draw. Okay, you can change, you can modify your shape. This is called handle. Whenever you draw anything, you must have these three things. The first thing is your point, this is the path point, and this is the handler. Handler helps you to modify your shape. So as you can see here, I'm drawing like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So let's say I want to modify this shape. So in that case, you need to press alt, sorry, control. You need to press control, then you can modify. As you can see here, you can modify your shape. You can, let's say I want to modify this shape. So you can modify. As you can see here, I can change the shape. As you can see here, you need to click here, then you will get the handle. You need to click here, then let's say I want to move my pointer. I'm pressing control. Okay, make sure that you are pressing control. So I'm pressing control, so I can increase. I'm pressing control, as you can see here. As you can see here. Okay, this is the handler. It helps you to modify your shape like this, like this, like this, like this. As a beginner, you will face lots of problem. Just ignore it. Whenever I was beginner, I am also facing the lots of issue. But this is quite complex. But whenever you have better idea about pen tool, you can do anything else. Okay, like this. I'm pressing control, as you can see here. This is the thing. The better option to practice pen tool is that you need just you have idea about text tool. Just click here, then type S. Okay, I'm typing S, then I'm pressing Ctrl and Alt to increase the size. I'm increasing the size. Okay, then let's change this color to black. Okay, then let's lock this layer. If you want to lock any layer, just go to layer pane, then lock the layer. Okay, now you can start practicing. You need to draw the same S, same S. So I'm starting from here. Let's take only stroke color and make the fill color as none. Okay, then I can do this. Let me do it roughly. As you can see here. Okay, if you want to delete any handle, you have to press Alt and plus click here. So as you can, there are two handle. Okay, so if you want to, if you delete this handle, it will be more flexible to draw your design. I'm pressing Alt to delete this one. Otherwise, it will makes lots of issue. So always try to delete this one, this handle, one handle. Okay, if you do not delete the next, as you can see here, you will face this type of issue. It will carve, it will make something like this. So in that case, always delete always delete the next handle by pressing Alt. Okay, I'm drawing like this. Ctrl Z to back. I'm doing roughly. I'm pressing Alt to delete the second handle. Okay, I'm pressing Alt to change the position of this path. Then I'm pressing like this. So if I want to modify, I have to press control, then I can change. As you can see here, there is some issue, so I can just do this. There is also some issue, I can do this. There is also some issue. I'm pressing control to modify my shape, as you can see here. So if I hide this layer, you will see like this. So this is the best way to practice pen tool. If you practice pen tool properly, you will do any kind of shapes. This is the thing. Do you understand, guys? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is so hard, but you need to do practice. If you skip this pen tool, you won't be a great graphic designer, because as I already show you, there are lots of attractive shapes. As you can see here, this is another one shapes. So you need to draw on your own way. And as you can see, there are lots of design. Okay, you need to make unique design. Yeah, it's a little complicated. Yeah, as you can see, there are lots of design. You can't make same design. Okay, you can't make same design. You have to make your own creativity. You must have your own creativity. Then if you know the pen tool, you can draw anything according to your imagination. So please do practice of your pen tool, then you can do this. Okay, so the next thing is, as you can, free from pen tools, free from tool. So if you want to draw a, as you can see like this, if you want to draw a like this type of shapes, you can do this. This is the free. So if you, this is one kind of pencil art, so you can do this like this. This is not the important one. The important one is pen tool. You must, I was following your step exactly, but it was unsuccessful. uh, 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 uh. Okay, are you able to share your screen, Mursal? Are you able to share your screen? Okay, can you share your
Yes,
screen?
sir.
Can you share your screen? Let's see. Yeah, Mursal, please share. Okay.
Can you see my screen,
Uh,
sir?
yes, yes, yes. We have
This
your
is what
screen.
I could.
Okay, this is good. You're almost there.
Yeah, but it's too hard. Yeah,
Yeah,
with
yeah,
practice, I can do it better.
yeah, yeah, yeah. If you want to delete any anchor point, just click, just press Alt and click the anchor point, so it will be deleted. Okay, but you are
Okay.
doing great.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah. Just press Alt.
okay.
Uh, okay, press Alt.
I'm
Okay,
pressing, but it's not
okay, okay.
working.
Wait, hold on. Let me share my screen. There is another way to do this.
Okay, that
Let me
would
share
be
my
great.
screen. Yeah. Okay, guys, do you have my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Morsel, as you can see, Morsel, just right click on there. As you can see there are some option. Just right click on it, you will see add, delete, anchor point. As you can see here, you can add anchor point, you can delete anchor point. This one. So let's say I am now in pen tool. Let's say I draw this one. So I want to delete this anchor point. So I just click here, then click here. Now it will be deleted. Let's say I want to add anchor point, just click here, then click here, it will be added. Anchor point will be added. As you can see here, anchor point will be added. So you can add and you can delete. Do you understand, Mursal? I think it will work.
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it. Thank you.
Okay, most welcome. Okay, so if you want to draw a curved shape, you can do this like this. As you can see, it will draw a curved shape. If you need some curved shapes, so you can do this. You can draw curved shape. Okay, this is the curved shapes. Converter point tool. That means if you want to convert any point that I did by helping Alt Control, as you can see here, I'm pressing Control, then I can convert this point. If you want to do it manually, you can just go here, then click Convert Point tool. So you can, let's say you want to convert this point, you can do this like this. So you can do by the help of these tools, or you can also do shortcut. Shortcut is Control. If you press Control, you can convert any pointer, any pointer. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, this is the thing.
And also for removing one of the handle, what was the shortcut, please?
You need to press Alt. So yeah,
Okay, thank you.
you need to press Alt. As you can see, I'm pressing Alt, so I can control my handle. Okay. Sorry, it's not Alter, it's Control as well. Control. I'm pressing Control. If you want to modify any handle, you have to press Control.
Yeah, for removing one of like handle
Oh,
is.
for removing, I think it is Alt. Yeah, Alt. I'm pressing Alt. As you can see, now it's removed.
Thank you.
For removing, it's Alt. This is the thing. I think everyone understand. Okay, for now, just practice the shape mode. Just practice in shape modes. Okay, this is the thing. Should I discuss more, guys, or is it enough for today? Should I discuss more topics?
I
Sirs,
think
enough.
yeah, it would be good if we stop because we need more practice.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the thing, and everyone must practice pen tool. Pen tool is important. I repeat, pen tool is important for your designer career, because each and every time you need to draw new types of shapes that makes your design more attractive. So I think that this is that's it for today, because you need to do more practice on pen tools, and I will also assign homework or Google Classroom related to pen tools. Okay, so just do the practice, and for the better help, you may search on YouTube how to use pen tools in Adobe Photoshop. Then you will get lots of idea. And I repeat, this is the important one, pen tools. Okay, if I open my Adobe Illustrator, you will also see the same thing. Let me open my Illustrator. Quite okay. This is the Adobe Illustrator. As you can see here, pen tool, pen tool. This is, as you can, the same thing. The same thing. This pen tool have pointer. This pen tool have handle. The same thing. So always, everyone just try to do. Please share the code of the classroom. Everyone just try to practice in pen tool and be more professional. Okay, let me share you the code. What is the code? Okay, this one. Okay, I have shared the code. Limited graphic design course. Yeah, this one. And everyone, please do my assignment. Assignment. Please do. Only 4 people handed my assignment to, and 1 people handed my assignment. So everyone just do my assignment. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Is there any question, guys? Is there any question related to today's lesson? Any question, guys? Please share your recap records as well. They were, yeah, I will. And I'm sorry for that because I'm got busy nowadays. And I will upload my recap video as soon as possible. Maybe today I will upload my third class recap video, and the next day I will try to upload this class recap video on my YouTube channel. And
Yeah, that's okay, sir. Thank you.
Femtech also uploaded the last class recorded video. You can also watch from their YouTube channel. Okay, any question, guys?
No
No,
question,
sir.
sir.
Thank you for this session.
Okay, thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz and good night.
Good night.
Thank you. Good night.